DC47 Animal is engineered with two-tier radial cyclones. 32 cyclones work in parallel across two tiers, generating high centrifugal forces up to 193,000 G. Microscopic particles are captured from the airflow. With ball technology and a central steering mechanism, DC47 Animal turns on a dime. It cleans without awkward moves. The ball houses many of the major vacuum components, lowering the center of gravity and maximizing stability. The carbon fiber brush bar has rows of ultrafine carbon fiber filaments to remove fine dust from hard floors, and stiff nylon bristles remove ground-in dirt from carpets. DC47 Animal also comes with a tangle-free turbine tool. With counter-rotating heads, it's the only turbine tool that doesn't tangle. And when you've finished, the bin's easy to empty. DC47 Animal. Two tiers of cyclones capture more microscopic dust than any other. DC47 Animal is engineered with two-tier radial cyclones. 32